Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. This is my first video here. I am on a mission to show you how to build a real income selling digital products, especially ebooks on Etsy. So I wanted to share something real and honest, my actual results from my first 3 months selling ebooks on Etsy, including my wins, mistakes, and exactly how much I made. So let's go to the dashboard here, as you can see. I actually deleted all my listings because Etsy warned me I was selling AP or copyrighted content. So they gave me a warning. That's it. That's why you can see here just $164 in the last 13 days. So if you can see here, this year I made $500. And let's go to the analytics to show you the shop traffic over the 3 months. Okay, in terms of visits, I made in June 188 visits and 461 visits in August, September 410 visits, and October around 300 visits. Let's go now to the orders. As you can see, first 25 orders was on August, and then September 35 orders, 34 orders. For the conversion rate is good. I like it, especially in October. And the revenue, it was going up. As you can see, August $121, September 181, and October 191. Let's talk about how traffic comes to my channel. As you can see, I brought 60% of visits. There is good SEO, as you can see here. Etsy search, and Etsy app and under Etsy pages was incredible because it brought the majority of sales and of visits actually. And something I didn't notice is Etsy marketing and SEO. It's incredible. As you can see, this is some social media. First, I was testing Pinterest, but it brings a lot of visits actually, as you can see here. But there is one problem with Pinterest traffic. There is no conversion at all. That's why I stopped it. It is just lowering my conversion rates. As you can see, 67 visits with no sales. That's what I noticed, and that's why I stopped Pinterest, all social media. I guess it's not worth them. Don't work on social media. Don't use Etsy ads. First, especially in the beginning, don't use Etsy ads. I didn't make anything from this 100 visits from Etsy ads. Marketing, this is done by Etsy. Don't bother yourself about it. And also, this is not something you can control. You just need to do good SEO of your listings, good photo. It's very, very important. And a video, that's something that should be done these days, because listing with video, it brings a lot of traffic as well as a lot of sales. Now, let's talk about why I removed all my listings. Let's talk about why I did that. It's very simple, because I got actually a email from Etsy, a policy violation, something related to copyright, or I didn't know that when I was listing my products. As you can see, I am new here. I am new to business on Etsy, so that's why I decided why not record a video and share my results. As I improve, I will, of course, share more videos. So they removed some of my listings, so that's why I also removed all of them in order to start in new way in new in this month, November 2025. I want to start with very special products, digital products. So yeah, that's it. See you in the next video, and I'm gonna share if I found some support from you. Of course, I'm gonna share more videos about Etsy and how I work and how it's going with me. This is first 3 months. I'm gonna share the report of month 4, month 5, 1 year. Why not? And thank you for watching. If you like my content, please subscribe so I can continue making videos about Etsy, about digital products. And yeah, thank you for watching again, and see you in the next video.